The all-new 2023 Mazda 6 has aged surprisingly well since its debut in 2012, with new updates keeping it ahead of the mid-size rival models. So when reports came to light that Mazda was developing a rear-wheel drive replacement in conjunction with an inline-six, car enthusiasts' online world was fever-pitching in excitement. You want to know more about this? Keep on watching this video. Welcome back to Motor Insight, the channel where we update you on the latest automobile news so car lovers never miss out on the latest cars and insightful updates. Now let's begin with today's exciting video. The next gen of the new Mazda 6 will be an entirely new car, not just an update of the current model. You can expect it to adopt a new platform with a longitudinal engine layout and rear-wheel drive, updated safety and infotainment technologies, as well as styling cues from its Japanese stablemate. The Shinari new concept vehicle and sleek styling, which sports the Nagare design language, were first seen on the current Mazda CX-5 2022. And the 2023 Mazda 6 next generation will be available as a sedan and a hatchback, even though there aren't any hard numbers about their possible engines yet. The new Mazda 6 next generation will most likely take advantage of a new lightweight chassis, which is based on Mazda's latest Skyactiv technology. This new Mazda platform will be used across all models and engines, including diesel and hybrid cars. This means that a future sports vehicle might share its platform with models of Mazda SUVs, something utterly unheard of today. This lightweight design should help the automaker achieve its goal of improving fuel economy by almost 20% without sacrificing safety or performance. Now, it is quite impressive given how difficult it can be to build a robust and safe vehicle even when using such super heavy steel platforms as users might find in older Volkswagens or BMWs. There is an architecture consisting of lightweight, high-strength steel, and aluminum is the trick to achieving such power. The exterior of the all-new 2023 Mazda 6 is heavily influenced by nature and what users might need when on their next adventure. The all-new 2023 Mazda 6 has a wide body and low roofline, which offers a powerful-looking design with rugged touches. The available roof rails let you carry additional outdoor equipment, including kayaks, storage units, and rooftop tents to camp anywhere. Also, the additional height for the 2023 Mazda 6 liftgate helps you load more cargo easily into the crossover. Users can match this with elongated cargo space. You can fit what you need to enjoy your off-roading adventures. The new next-generation Mazda 6 will be powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that offers 275 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. The base vehicle is expected to be front-wheel drive. However, the rear-wheel drive will be available as an option for enthusiasts. Going for Mazda 6 all-wheel drive means losing one cylinder, dropping to 254 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. The automaker also plans to have both front and all-wheel drives in dealer showrooms by late 2022. A gas sipper? Mazda fans have to wait until 2022 for an official estimate from Mazda, but don't expect much better than 30 miles per gallon, which is combined with front drive, or 27 with rear or all-wheel drive. Now, these represent the standard items. Users can choose from a scale of 17-inch wheels, directing front lights and hidden placement, sunroof, auto tires, necessary car illumination, and automobile windscreen wipers. Any iActive Sense deal and 19-inch with keyless admittance constitute the all-new 2023 Mazda 6. Moreover, an electronically varied driver's chair, warm front-side chairs, back-end apertures, simulated leather-based handles, back-end Microsoft Windows, as well as a cardiovascular system-formed armrest that includes 2 USB 2.02 can take more extras. The new sedan will come with an inline Skyactiv X turbo 6-cylinder gas engine with a 3.0-liter capacity and a 48-volt mild hybrid system, which can churn up to 350 horsepower. The company has patented its new setups for a twin turbocharger, which will most likely be included in the new sedan. The company may have a diesel Skyactiv X 6-cylinder unit. They also said to plan it all out. This will be the first time in Mazda 6's life cycle that this vehicle would be offered as a fully electric as well as the plug-in hybrid type. Mazda is allegedly starting their inline-six units production early in 2022, which coexist with their sedan's launch. If everything goes as planned, the all-new Mazda 6 would have the perfect combo: impressive looks, luxurious cabin, and better performance. They can easily become the next worthy opponent to Beamer. The interior design of the all-new 2023 Mazda 6 is usually amazement motivating. It is also going to exceed the expectations for the middle-of-the-dimension sedans. Aesthetically, the Mazda 6 2023 interior design team has put much thought into these prototypes. The particular cabin's design is incredibly present-day, and also the components are significant. Also, the simulated leather materials within the checkout strengthen genuinely. And while the upper chairs are accommodating and secure, they might be challenging for lengthier travels. Nonetheless, more significant-sized travelers may favor those to be associated with. The back car seats will also be appealing, with many different places in front and the legroom for more aged tourists. Also, individual merchandise could be kept in substandard rooms, but it is not sizable. Moreover, it will feature a reloading region that only retains 14.8 cubic feet, which can be pretty small compared to the tradition for this group. The storage containers and wallets will also be incorporated into this technique. On the other hand, the boot room is excellent, along with the editing, enhancing resources in the back for remote control seating to improve the number of substance items. Both new concept vehicles have a more complex dashboard than what fans currently see on Mazda's current generation of vehicles, with ergonomics and safety seemingly a top priority. Despite all of that complexity, but it still looks clean and simple to use, especially when compared to some other infotainment systems which are found in other vehicles right now. It remains to be seen whether or not the automaker will follow through with these designs or something else completely by next year. But either way, it is pretty exciting to see how far they will go if they did decide to go forward with them. Mazda can incorporate even more safety features into its midsize sedan with its new platform. We're talking forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic braking. In fact, the range-topping Mazda 6 Grand Touring model will have all these features as standard. That's a significant change from what car experts know about Mazda 6 next generation. And standard safety equipment only includes traction control as well as the stability control if you're lucky. Now, by adding those extra features on top of a standard rear-view camera, experts have predicted that Mazda 6 owners will pay attention to road signs and speed limits. The all-new 2023 Mazda 6 is a rumored car in the USA. Many car experts expect it to go on sale in early 2022 as a 2023 model. The expected price of a Mazda 6 will be around $40,000. What are your thoughts on the all-new Mazda 6 2023? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's video, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the latest and exciting car content as soon as it's uploaded. See you again soon in another video.